My name's Zach Mitzner. This is Taylor Mitzner, and we're building the Redford 1A home. What has been the best part of our experience with Shaw Homes so far? I would say the people that work with us from the time that we were trying to decide if we even wanted to build with Shaw Homes to the very end with the design studio. They've been great. In my opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders? This is actually our first building experience, so I can't really speak to that. But I would say from observations from other people that we are able to have a lot of selections and get very detailed, and the home doesn't feel like a cookie cutter home by the time you're done with your selections. What would you say to someone who is thinking about looking at Shaw Homes to build their home? I would say to spend a lot of time with the model homes that they have around town. It really actually helped us to travel from Oklahoma City to Tulsa to spend time in both the Tulsa market and the Oklahoma City market, because there were a lot of differences in the way that homes are built and the designs they use in Tulsa compared to Oklahoma City.